agencies, both in government and in the private sector, who have painstakingly helped us put this show together. To our partners and colleagues in the government, especially the Department of Agriculture, the Halal Industry Development Office, the DTI Regional Office Group, allow me to extend my sincerest gratitude to all of you. The outstanding contributions that our office has been receiving from the trade promotion officers from the provinces and the regions, the provincial and regional office of DTI do not go unnoticed. So every year our PPOs bring in the regional food SMEs, and we know that this is an easy feat. I understand there's a lot on your plate right now, but as public servants, I know you have to take on multiple roles and wear many hats from time to time. To our valued partners in the private sector, in the likes of the Philippine Food Processors and Exporters Organization Incorporated, or PhilFood, presented by its President, Mr. Rubens. Let's take a bow.